obwire bataringaya okuraburaho batabanko bwo mu mashomero y'abana iguraho omushomo gw'ebiri kumugwa abakuru b'amashomero hamwe n'abebembezi okurwo mu mashomero ga senior aga district ya Rwampara
nakukira munonga kugira ngo buri shomero omu mateeka agakwebembera amashomero bashimiye kuba bine governance structures wayindokete board of governors kandi woyine board of governors ekukora ekyo nikimanyisa ngu n'emivuyo nali strikes ezikukira kuba mu mashomero na leadership y'ishomero ryona na prefects n'abandi tibikukira kuba
omushomo guguriyo n'ugugendo misha hishomero rya Chinon Girls SS kandi gutebekanisiwe government ya Uganda kurabiro ministry y'byobwegese kandi World Bank niyetire musente
ministry neyenda amashomero galwe a level je tuli muhati okuluga level ebonire tubanze coordinating especially how to deal with the teachers, students and to ekintu kya new lower secondary curriculum.
Omu butumwa bwo bwamushomera Dr. Gladys Muhama, Director General wa Uganda Management Institute Dr. James Nkata yashaba abakuru b'amashomero agakozesa omugisha gw'okutunga obukugu oburabayambe kutungura amashomero gabo na munongombyo bw'ebembezi.
We encourage you to engage in discussions with the presenters as well as your fellow participants. On its part, UMI has lined up a team of experts in the subject matter.
Bo bakuru b'amashomero bari mu mushomogo basima ministry hamwe na government habo kutahentebekanisa eji.
How we can manage human resource in schools kandi ekyo nkiza kuyamba head teachers n'abakuru n'abato kugira management skills ezikuza kukozesebwa twantandika n'omwaka musya managing age schools for better development.
Amakoraga Gashakwa Abdukalim Sengendo.